The mother's assertion of confidence that Keith is her husband's child, despite the acknowledged infidelity, introduces a profound tension within the courtroom proceedings. This situation inherently creates an atmosphere laden with uncertainty, fundamentally questioning the trust that underpins their marital relationship. As the courtroom dynamics unfold, it becomes evident how past relationships cast a long shadow over current family structures. The judge's incisive questions underscore an essential requirement for transparency and accountability in parental relationships, revealing the intricate interplay between personal history and current legal standing. The emotional plight faced by the father, coupled with his pressing need for clarity regarding his son's paternity, underscores the high stakes involved in familial trust. The specter of a potentially fractured marriage becomes alarmingly tangible should the child ultimately not be his. Trust emerges as a critical theme in this matrimonial dispute, particularly highlighted through the couple's ongoing struggles with fidelity and the vestiges of past relationships. These challenges generate notable emotional turmoil for both parties, complicating their journey toward resolution. Moreover, external influences, including accusations from third parties, significantly exacerbate pre-existing insecurities within the relationship. This external pressure culminates in heightened tension and fear surrounding issues of paternity and loyalty. The ramifications of uncertainty regarding paternity extend beyond the immediate legal implications, often manifesting as deep emotional pain and confusion. The courtroom environment further magnifies these sentiments, exposing the intricate complexities inherent in modern relationships. Keith's aspiration to forge a bond with his son poignantly illustrates the emotional stakes tied to paternity confirmation. He yearns for shared experiences, such as playing sports and sharing his surname, reflecting a fundamental desire to establish familial connections. In parallel, Rose articulates her belief in Keith's paternity, which serves to reaffirm her commitment to both him and their child. This assertion underscores the critical importance of trust and open communication within their relationship. Judge Lake's efforts to illuminate the complexities of the situation by addressing the underlying doubts and fears of both parties are notable. This intervention highlights the legal system's vital role in mediating and resolving deeply personal conflicts. In conjunction with these proceedings, the pamphlet provided to parents underscores the necessity of deliberate consideration regarding paternity acknowledgement. It delineates a 60-day window for reconsideration, emphasizing the imperative of informed decision-making concerning parental rights. Financial barriers can significantly impede the pursuit of paternity testing, as evidenced by Mr. Hayes' candid acknowledgement of his inability to afford a DNA test. This reality sheds light on the broader challenges that some individuals face in the often convoluted process of establishing legal paternity. Additionally, doubts surrounding paternity can frequently be exacerbated by external factors, as illustrated by Mr. Hayes' observation of another man leaving Ms. Chapman's residence. Such revelations can complicate the acknowledgement of paternity, further entrenching the existing uncertainties. Ms. Chapman's insistence that Mr. Hayes must take Maurice Jr. along to see their daughter complicates an already strained relationship. This condition introduces additional layers of tension, illustrating the challenges posed by external expectations and emotional ties. Mr. Hayes' expression of doubt regarding his paternity of Maurice Jr. ignites considerable emotional turmoil and conflict, especially in relation to custody arrangements. The complexities surrounding these issues often derive from the shadows of previous relationships. The court's disclosure that Mr. Hayes is not Maurice Jr.'s biological father elicits powerful emotional responses, prompting a call for both parents to collaborate on effective co-parenting strategies for Moria. This revelation serves as a pivotal turning point in their shared journey. Ms. Smith's narrative reveals her ongoing struggle with the denial of her father, stemming from not being acknowledged on her birth certificate. This lack of recognition has resulted in a significant void in her identity, underscoring the profound impact of paternity disputes on personal sense of self. Mr. Lewis' perspective provides insight into a complicated relationship with Ms. Smith's mother, which fuels his doubts about paternity. The challenges he encounters in reconciling his prospective role as a father highlight the intricate web of familial dynamics at play. The discussion surrounding the necessity of a paternity test to dispel doubts is particularly salient, as Ms. Smith has advocated for it for years. This emphasis on accountability and resolution is essential for all parties involved. Mr. Lewis alleges that he has witnessed intimate interactions between his uncle and Ms. Smith's mother, sparking inquiries into the family's dynamics. This claim presents a critical piece of evidence in the ongoing paternity case. Ms. Smith's plea for Mr. Lewis to recognize her as his daughter encapsulates the urgency of her situation, particularly regarding the significance of a birth certificate in affirming her identity. This highlights the crucial need for legal acknowledgement within familial relationships. The testimonies presented by family members, including Mr. Lewis's ex-wife and daughter, further complicate the paternity investigation. Their differing perspectives on Mr. Lewis's paternal role amplify the emotional connections involved and potentially signal neglect. The repercussions of hidden paternity secrets often engender feelings of isolation and emotional detachment among those affected. Brittany articulates her experience of emotional flatlining, a testament to the long-standing doubts that overshadow her sense of self. The court's revelation concerning Brittany's biological father elicits profound emotional reactions from all present. While the truth may often be shocking, it is ultimately essential for achieving closure in these complex familial matters. Judge Lake's insistence on accountability among family members in navigating paternity issues is paramount. Prioritizing support and empowerment for Brittany over historical grievances paves the way for a more constructive resolution to these deeply personal challenges.